How to fix PS5 rest mode not downloading games. Imagine sitting down after a long day, eager to start playing your latest game update, only to find that your PlayStation 5 console is not downloading the game in rest mode. This situation can be frustrating, but understanding the underlying causes and solutions can help you get back to gaming smoothly. First, it is important to verify that your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date. Sony regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve system stability. To check for updates, navigate to the Settings menu, select System, then Software Update, and ensure your console has the latest version installed. An outdated system can sometimes interfere with download functions during rest mode. Next, review your power settings. The PlayStation 5 has a feature called Supply Power to USB ports which, when enabled, allows connected devices to function during rest mode. To confirm this, go to Settings, then System, then Power Saving, and select features available in rest mode. Make sure the option to supply power to USB ports is enabled. This setting can influence download behavior, especially if you are using a wired or wireless controller or external storage devices. Another key aspect is the network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for downloads to continue in rest mode. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to ensure it is active and stable. If you experience intermittent connectivity, consider restarting your router or connecting via a wired Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. Additionally, ensure that your PlayStation 5 is not set to a network that has restrictions or firewall settings blocking downloads. It is also beneficial to check the power saving settings related to internet activity. Some users have found that disabling features like Stay Connected to the Internet in the power saving options can improve download performance during rest mode. To do this, go to Settings, then System, then Power Saving, and adjust the settings to keep the console connected to the internet during rest mode. Lastly, consider the possibility of background processes or other downloads interfering with your current download. Pausing or canceling other ongoing downloads or updates can sometimes resolve conflicts. Restarting the console after making these adjustments can also help refresh the system and restore download functionality. By systematically reviewing these settings and ensuring your system is updated and connected properly, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with your PlayStation 5 not downloading games during rest mode. Patience and careful checking of each factor will help you enjoy uninterrupted gaming experiences.